Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony Bluetooth headphones. First, ensure your headphones are fully charged and ready. Next, activate Bluetooth on your device so it can discover new connections. Then, put your headphones into pairing mode, which usually involves holding a specific button. Finally, select your headphones from the list of available devices on your phone or computer. This process is straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete, getting you listening quickly. To activate pairing mode on your Sony YY2951 headphones, press and hold the power button for approximately 7 seconds. You will hear a voice guidance say, "Pairing," indicating the mode is active. Simultaneously, the indicator light will begin flashing blue rapidly. This visual and auditory cue confirms that your headphones are now discoverable by other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Keep holding until you see this specific light pattern and hear the voice prompt for successful pairing initiation. Once your headphones are in pairing mode, navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu on your desired device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Look for YY2951 in the list of available devices that appear. Simply tap or click on the headphone name to initiate the connection process. Your device might ask for confirmation. Accept it to finalize the pairing. In just a few moments, your headphones will be connected and ready for audio playback. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your headphones and device are within 1 meter of each other for optimal signal strength. Sometimes, simply turning your device's Bluetooth off and then back on can resolve minor glitches. Always check that your headphones have sufficient battery charge, as low power can prevent successful pairing. For persistent problems, consult the comprehensive user manual for your Sony YY2951 headphones for more detailed troubleshooting steps and solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.